The success of a farm depends a little bit on the operator's goals. For small business farmers, the success is based on yields. So how much produce are we producing? Is it high quality produce? How much can we sell it for?
We're taking different approaches to farming to try and get more production, higher quality, and generally just a better output from our farm, but with less input. So less energy, less water, less nutrients, less light, and still try and maximize the output. Maximizing the productivity of every single inch of that farm so that we can get the most out of it was one of the most important criteria in designing the farm.
One serious constraint is balancing the need for reliability versus cost. More durable, robust components inevitably cost more, but one of our goals is to also make the product more accessible. So those two are going to consistently be at odds, and there will always be some push and pull in making those decisions.